Changing the phone number on your Zelle account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the gear icon or your profile picture, usually located in the upper corner of the app. Step 3. Select phone number. Look for the option labeled phone number or manage phone numbers. Tap on it to view your current phone number and options for editing. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new phone number, follow the prompts to confirm the change. You may receive a verification code via SMS to ensure the new number is valid. Once you have completed these steps, your Zelle account will be updated with your new phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle's customer support for assistance.